Hey everyone, and welcome to this SASS for CSS tutorial. Before moving forward to SASS, we must have a look at CSS preprocessors. CSS preprocessors are programs that let you type some code in their own unique syntax and convert it into standard CSS. Whenever you start feeling comfortable with CSS, it is highly suggested that you learn a preprocessor and start using it in your project. The most prominent benefit is that you don't have to repeat yourself. Now let's look at SASS. SASS is one of the CSS preprocessor, which provides several features and tools that you normally don't get with CSS. So SASS is like a premium version of CSS. It makes the code more readable and maintainable. There is a long list of features that SASS provides. We will be covering them all in this series. For now, just knowing their names would do the job. I appreciate it if you pause the video and have a look at them. One may ask, I already know CSS, then why should I learn SASS? Well, from my experience, SASS substantially decreases development time. Also, the generated CSS files are much more clearer. Code base becomes easy to maintain. On the top of it, now you can implement logic to your CSS. Now let's see how you can install SASS in your system. If you open sasslang.com and hop over to the install section, you'll see that there are three options. To install on Mac OS using Homebrew, you can run this command. To install on Windows, if you are using the Chocolatey Package Manager, then you can run this command. And for any platform, if you have NodeJS installed in that platform, you can run this command. Since I already have NodeJS installed in my system, I can run the command npm install global SASS to install SASS in my system globally. To do this, open your terminal window or your command prompt window and run the command npm install global SASS. It will take a few seconds to download SASS from the npm repositories and install it. Once the command is successfully completed, SASS is installed in your system. To check if SASS is successfully installed, run the command SASS version. This command will display the version SASS is installed. Now that we have successfully installed SASS, we can move to learning more things about SASS in the next video. Thanks for watching.